Today we're going to do a video on changing the oil on a Husqvarna TS 248XD riding tractor. It's the one with the welded deck on it. Right here, let's see all the replacement parts as far as the oil, fuel filter, everything else. Go from there. This one has a Kawasaki FR691V motor in it. To begin with, there's a clip right there. If you want to pull that out, that's what holds this cover on. Pull that up. That lets that free. Right there's the little vise they have to drain the oil straight out of the block. It comes with a lawnmower comes with a rubber hose to attach onto this little nipple. Push that up on there. Excuse my improvising, but put that right into that can. Take your flathead screwdriver. You'll turn this piece right here. You'll see the oil start coming out of the bottom of the block. You can see it trickling down. I'll be right back as soon as it gets done draining. Alright, I about filled that up. Got my filter loose, just hand tight. So I'm going to tighten that cap back up, going into the motor. It's just a trickle now. I've already emptied or poured some of it out of that fuel can, old fuel can. Tighten that back up. Take that line off, let it drain out the rest of the way, lock that down. You got a little bit of a shelf right there where your oil filter is. So I'm going to tuck some rags up under that, keep it from making a big mess. So you'll see on this one, Kawasaki actually makes that oil filter, but there's another type of oil filter you can use. Napa sells it. It's about an inch longer, 2 inches longer, but if you have the room, this oil filter only costs $7. A bit of a price difference to those. I think they sell those for about $23. So same thing, I think it goes on a Toyota truck. There's a number on it again. Like I said, a little bit cheaper on you. So you have the spare room in there to still be able to put the cover on, so it won't hurt anything, and the threads are the exact same. I'm using Napa SAE 10W30 motor oil, which is recommended on the replacements parts list. It's actually up under the hood. It recommends 64 ounces, so I got 2 quarts. We get a little bit of oil out of this new one. Put it on the seal. Remember, hand tight's all you do for those. You're not trying to mess yourself up for the next time. That's it. Clean that tray out so you're not dripping oil on your grass. Lock that down a little bit. Get you a funnel. Move your dipstick. Going in with one more quart. I said I'd recommend 64 ounces, so 2 quarts. We'll go a little shy on it. check with our dipstick and see where it's at. So you know, right here, for correct oil level, do not turn cap onto the threads. So that's your add point, that's your full point. Check that one more time. We're right at our full line. I'm about just a few more ounces left in there, about 8 ounces. So I'll let that sit a little bit if necessary, and I'll check it again, and then I'll add more later if I need to. Not trying to overfill it either though, so tighten all that back up. That should be it. Like I said, once again, you want to wipe down everything. Make sure you're not dripping any oil on your grass, causing dead spots in your yard. And I'll show you how to button it back up, especially so you can see that that other filter still does what it's supposed to, and it costs a good bit less. I'll be honest with you, if I'm willing to run it on my 4Runner, or running what used to be my Tacoma, I'd be willing to run it on my lawnmower. So we'll set that back down. Locks into place. And it still butts right up against it. So you still have plenty of room in there. And like I said, $7. I believe those are $23 or so. So still the same rating, same everything. Be sure to take this clip and it will go right back in to this piece right here. Push right on, and so you can see the clearance. We're not even touching it, so save you a little bit of money where you can. Once again, this is the TS 248 XD model with the welded deck on it. It's been a pretty good lawnmower so far. That's not my first oil change. I've got about 100 hours on it. So, yeah, y'all stay tuned for more. Once again, this is Doom's Dad. Yeah, y'all have a good one. We'll be back soon.